and you see the animal receiving it, it is a very good way, a different way of having interaction with this pet. Usually we manifest things, you say things to animals, to pets, and you're talking to them, but if you're silently there, running energy, it is a unique experience. You need to try and see how it is. They don't have ego, they don't have expectation, they don't have their opinions, they don't speak, they don't say anything. So they're just there to receive, and they're very open, by the way. We hear stories about touching animals, running energy to animals, to pets especially. And yesterday I had my own story. Something happened yesterday. It was very different, very interesting, and I want to share that with you. I have a cat here with me because my friend is out of the country and he left his cat with me. Yesterday I was running energy to this cat, touching the cat, and she was very relaxed. I was surprised in how she was delighted, relaxed, and she started stretching her body and she fell asleep, in a deep sleep. The breathing was heavy. She was completely surrendered to life force energy between my hands and sleeping. She didn't have any need, any disease, anything. She was just receiving. And it's very interesting because cats, animals in general, pets, they don't have ego, they don't have expectation, they don't have their opinions, they don't speak, they don't say anything. So they're just there to receive, and they're very open, by the way. It is the same as kids. I like to compare with kids because they don't have ego. They are not manifesting their ego. They're not imposing things. They're just receptive. So if you have a pet, if someone part of your family has a pet, it's a very interesting experience to just run energy. Regardless if the pet has any disease or not, you just run energy and you receive this, and you see the animal receiving it. It is a very good way, a different way of having interaction with this pet. Usually we manifest things, you say things to animals, to pets, and you're talking to them, but if you're silently there, running energy, it is a unique experience. You need to try and see how it is. I don't have pets, I just have this pet with me temporarily, and I have this experience. If you have yours, I suggest you to do the experience and see how interesting it is. And if you don't have any experience with quantum touch and you have pets, click on the link below and you'll see the original workshop with Richard Gordon. The exact same technique I used yesterday with this cat, running energy, in which the cat had this reaction. It is the same technique Richard Gordon is teaching this online workshop. We call this the original workshop with Richard Gordon. So click on the link below, on the description of the video, on the comments. I pinned this link and learn right away quantum touch, and you can run energy to your pet. See you on the next video.